Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Affirm mobile app. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you're going to need to download and install the app, and you can get the app from the Apple Play Store, on the App Store, and you can also get it from the Google Play Store. Once you find the app, just install it to your mobile device. And next up, we're going to talk about logging in and setting up the app. So what you want to do now that you have the app is to log into your existing Affirm account using your email address and password. You could also just create a new account, if you don't have one already, and just set up account notifications to stay informed about your loan activities. Now, for navigating through the apps, there are a couple of things to take note of. You have the dashboard where you can view your loan dashboard to see your loan balance. You can always view the dashboard to see your loan balance, payment schedules, and payment histories. There's also loans, so you can access your loan details, including loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms. There's also payments, so you can make payments, view payment history, and set up automatic payments. And there's also account settings where you can update your account information, including email address, password, and payment methods. Now, for using the app to manage your loans, what you can use that to make payments manual, or you could also set up automatic payments for your loans. You could also view your loan details, including loan balance, interest rates, and of course the repayment terms. You could also check your payment history to ensure that you're up to date on your payments. And you could also contact Affirm support directly through the app if you have any questions or concerns. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.